So I've been drinking a lot of these lately. And I realized they're really tall. So then that got me to thinking, if you had 100 of these and you stacked them each on top of each other, that'd be 100 of these tall. That'd be really tall. We got a Sod, Julius Caesar out now, and you lovely bitches and hoes better go watch that and give me at least 3,000,000,001 views and subscribers and cupcakes. Get in my belly! What's with Charlie bit my finger? I'm sick of Charlie bit my finger. I don't want Charlie bit my finger anymore. Charlie, you bit my finger. No, no, no. Watch me instead. And last of all, I want to start a game. It's called Who's in My Mouth. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. No, I want to start a game, and it's called Monkey Poopin' Bananas. And the point of it is to do the most random thing humanly possible and make a video response of that to this video. But don't think that you're going to get out of that easy, because the requirement for this video is you must start it out with, "Hello, my name is Fido, I eat cat food." Your efforts will be rewarded if I can get 20 video responses of this, of "Hello, my name is Fido, I eat cat food." I will make one of those new things that are Swiffering the nation, naked video blog. Not only will I make a naked video blog, but the entire time, my nipples will be clamped with clothespins. And that about wraps it up.